like who cares, but I know you care.
What do I love? Everything. I love the space. I love the brightness. Every single piece of it is just, I wake up every morning and I literally still say, I can't believe I live here. I think it took us about 1.5 years, and not only 1.5 years, but it took us 3 different realtors. I actually wanted to purchase even well before COVID, but I think as a first-time home buyer, it was very intimidating. You know, Jennifer was actually there for me every step through that process. She taught me every single thing. She made sure that that I was never confused about anything, that she explained everything thoroughly, and she made both of us feel very comfortable. She still follows up. She's still very, very caring and making sure, are you guys good? Anything else you're confused with? So it never stopped at after we got the keys to the home. It's just a continued relationship, and I couldn't say enough great things about Jennifer. I reached out to Jennifer because I was like, you are who I wanted to work with anyway. So after taking about 3-4 months off, we made the switch, and this was the second house we looked at with Jennifer. I couldn't say enough wonderful things about the whole organization. They've been wonderful.